When I saw this article headline on Newsweek, September 8th, 2020, I said, I am definitely going to take a picture of this headline so you can see it. So, from that one motorcycle rally in South Dakota, those folks left and infected 260,000 people in the US. And that was fast. By the 20th of August, that motorcycle rally was over. People were leaving then. So if you look at the 20th, and today is the 8th of September, that didn't take long at all. And it's going to spread way beyond this 260K. Now, just imagine how many more people were impacted by this 260,000. This is from one event. I knew this was going to happen. But of course, you always got the diehards. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. It's fake. This is the stuff they were saying. Oh, it's political crap. I don't believe it. Oh, you don't, huh? So this is Newsweek, September 8th, 2020. Sturgis motorcycle rally linked to more than 260,000 coronavirus cases, economists said. The Sturgis motorcycle rally in South Dakota has been linked to more than 260,000 coronavirus cases in the US, according to a recent study by a group of economists. The rally. So they said it drew 462,182 people from around the country. Local news reports suggest, in addition to the large crowds, there were little mask wearing and social distancing among attendees, causing health experts to fear it would become a coronavirus super spreader event. And it is. Look at how many people got it. It is. In a report published by IZA Institute, Labor Economics in Bonn, Germany, 4 economists used some cell phone data, local health records, and data from the U.S. Center for Disease and Prevention, and concluded that an estimate of 266,796 coronavirus cases could be attributed to the rally. The rally represents a situation where many worst case scenarios for a super spreader event occurred simultaneously, creating an environment which a single mass gathering generated a huge number of coronavirus cases, according to the report. And don't worry, they'll have it again next year, y'all. They'll have it again. They'll just ignore this and act like it's nothing. The event occurred over a prolonged period, including people packed closely together, involved in a large out-of-town population, and had low compliance with recommended countermeasures such as mask use. And the economists found, there was very little social distancing. The larger factor working to prevent the spread of infection was the outdoor venue and low population density in the state of South Dakota, the economist wrote. The cell phone data suggests that the majority of the rally goers were not from Sturgis, Meade County, as smartphone pings and non-residents and foot traffic increased at restaurants and bars, retail establishments, entertainment venues, hotels, and campgrounds. States that contributed the highest number of rally goers included South Dakota, Arizona, California, Colorado, Minnesota, Nevada, and Washington, according to cell phone data. A full 90.7% of cell phone pings came from phones registered outside of South Dakota. 18.6 from border states, and 72.1% from the remainder of the U.S., the economist found. State officials in Minnesota and Nebraska previously reported cases they determined to be linked to the rally, expressing concerns about those numbers could grow. Thousands of people attended that event, and it is very likely that they will see more transmission. Yeah, you can count on that. Yeah, definitely. The economists used data from local health officials and the CDC as well as a synthetic control model to understand the rally's contribution to COVID 19 cases, ultimately finding that by September 2nd, nearly a month from when the rally began, cases increased in both Meade County and in counties that contributed to the highest inflow of rally attendance. We find that the Sturgis rally caused the spread of COVID 19 cases both locally and in the home county of those who traveled to Sturgis and returned home. They wrote, adding that the counties that contributed the highest number of attendees saw COVID 19 cases rise by 10.7% following the Sturgis event, relative to counties without any detected attendees. The economists found that after multiplying a percentage of cases increase for counties by each county perspective pre-rally cumulative COVID 19 cases. So they said it was a total of 263,708 additional cases in these locations could be attributed to the rally. To get the total amount of suspected cases generated from the event, the economists used a synthetic control model, bringing the total cases to 266,796. This accounts for 19% of 1.4 million new cases of coronavirus seen in the US between August 2nd and September 2nd, according to the report. Wow. As of July 31st, days before the rally began, South Dakota health officials had reported 8,764 coronavirus cases in that state. The number has since nearly doubled, with the state reporting now a total of 15,300 cases. And this is after the rally. It jumped up, it doubled. So this is according to the South Dakota Department of Health in Meade County, where the most rally events took place. Officials had reported 71 cases as of July 31st. Today, the county has found 348 total coronavirus cases among its approximate 28,000 residents. The Sturgis rally garnered national attention as being one of the largest events held in the U.S. amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. So far, only one death has been linked to the event. Y'all, you know it's got to be far worse than this. At least I think so. You got to think about the contact these 260,000 people had with others. I mean, you know they didn't stay in one place. But y'all, please tell me what you think. You know, we still haven't even touched on the people that went to the beaches on Labor Day, this holiday weekend. Each time, Memorial Day, 4th of July, and now we got Labor Day, each time the holidays came, there was a surge right after that. So now you're going to have to factor that in with the Sturgis bike rally. It's going to be a lot of cases out here in the fall. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.